Ever wondered how to make your presentations more engaging and professional? Today, we're delving into the exciting world of AI-powered presentations in PowerPoint. With AI tools, you can automate tasks, enhance design elements, and make your presentations more captivating than ever before. The journey begins by ensuring you have the latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint installed on your system. Once that's out of the way, we're ready to explore the wonders of AI. First up, we have AI design ideas. This feature suggests layouts, color schemes, and images based on your content. Just go to the Design tab, select Design Ideas, and watch as AI brings your presentation to life. Next, we have AI-powered insights. By clicking on the Insights button in the Review tab, you can enrich your presentation with relevant information from the web. Ever wanted to impress your audience with real-time data? With PowerPoint's Data Types feature, you can embed live data into your presentation. Watch in awe as your charts and graphs automatically update with the latest information. Creating compelling visuals is now easier than ever with AI-generated SmartArt graphics. Simply choose the Insert tab, click on SmartArt, and explore the design ideas. For those who want to go a step further, there are external AI tools that can assist you in creating entire presentations. Beautiful AI automates the design process. Zoho Show offers AI-powered design assistance, and Visum provides AI-infused design features. In summary, integrating AI into your PowerPoint presentations not only saves time, but also enhances the overall quality of your slides. So, go ahead, experiment with these features and tools, and discover the best fit for you. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep innovating and keep creating.